Jolly Phonics Group 1 today, which is The sound of letter S is You'll pretend the snake is going through the grass. Then you'll say
Let's learn the vocabulary of S. Star, strawberry, spider, snake.
Next we have letter A. The sound of letter A is A. You will pretend ants are crawling on your arms.
Let's learn the vocabulary of A. Aeroplane, ant, axe, apples.
The next letter in the group is letter T. And the sound of letter T is T. Pretend you are watching a tennis match.
Let's learn the vocabulary of T. Turtle, tree, train, choo-choo.
The next letter is letter I. And the sound of letter I is E. You will pretend to be Inky the mouse. And you will wipe the ink off her whiskers. E.
Let's learn the vocabulary of I. Igloo, Inky the mouse, iguana,
The next letter is letter P. And the sound is P. You pretend you are blowing candles on a cake. Like this.
Let's learn the vocabulary of P. Princess, pencil, penguin.
The next letter is letter N. And its sound is You pretend to be an aeroplane, making this sound
Let's learn the vocabulary of N. Nest, net, numbers, nose.
In the next video, we will learn the sounds of two